In this video, we will compare Shipt and Spark. So both of them are gig platforms for delivery and grocery shopping, but they differ primarily on their primary retail affiliation. So Shipt is actually affiliated with Target and various local grocers and retailers. Meanwhile, Spark is best for Walmart primarily, while other Walmart partners like Sam's Club as well. So for the order types, Spark actually offers various order types like curbside pickups, home deliveries, and occasional shopping and delivery orders. Meanwhile, Ship offers on full service grocery shopping and delivery, often with personalized communication with the customer. Shoppers can also schedule themselves for delivery windows or claim available orders from an open metro list using Ship. Meanwhile, drivers go available to receive orders or can schedule blocks in advance in some areas. So those are the key differences right here. So you can choose Shipt if you prefer a more personalized shopping, but you can choose Spark as well if you want a higher volume of free package pickup and deliver offers. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.